The Samsung Z Roll 5G feels like a bold glimpse into the future of smartphones, taking flexible display technology beyond folding and into a whole new dimension. Instead of a hinge, the Z Roll introduces a smooth rolling screen that can expand effortlessly, transforming from a compact, pocket-friendly phone into a larger, immersive display in seconds. This kind of design opens up exciting possibilities for multitasking, gaming, streaming, and productivity, giving you the convenience of a phone with the experience of a mini tablet whenever you need it. Paired with Samsung's signature premium craftsmanship, powerful hardware, and lightning-fast 5G connectivity, the Z Roll will be built for users who crave innovation and cutting-edge performance. It's the type of device that doesn't just upgrade your daily routine. It completely redefines it, making technology feel more futuristic, seamless, and exciting than ever before.